Hello YouTube. Today I thought I'd show you guys how I made a power bank for my watch, and it's not very elegant, not yet. Had a look online, had a power bank for one of the other watches that I had. That was a commercially bought one, but couldn't find one for my Garmin. So I pretty much took vape batteries, disposable vapes that I found, colleagues at work that threw them out. Gathered a whole bunch of them. I've probably got about 40 of them already. They're similar to this. Taken some of these, put them together. There's 3 of them in here. I'm not sure if it's the same size, but could be. I'll open this up. I still need to find some heat shrink or something to put around here that would look better. But just to give you an idea, this is a normal charge fitting that I bought online. I opened it up, soldered some wires to it. On the inside, I have, let's see if I can get this out. So, but there's 3 batteries in here. I drew this on DesignSpark Mechanical. I exported it, 3D printed it. There's indication lights on this. So when I plug it in, that way you can see there's 2 lights on at the moment, so it's busy charging. This is just to keep it all in place. Maybe if I can find some heat shrink, put it around, glue it together, shrink it together, then yeah, it'll work. So at the moment, I've actually had this for quite a while, and I haven't charged this up in months really. There's a lot of energy in here, enough to charge the watch a bunch of times. But I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, anybody that's interested in making something like this, I'm sure you can either draw it, get drawing, try and put it together. I'm sure if I go and have a look, I'd be able to find the STL files and share it if I really need to. But yeah, just something simple, put it together. I think it could work. Well, it works for me, so it's it does its thing. Yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe and like my videos. It would really help. I'm just starting off, so any comments I'll try and get back to. And yeah, thanks for watching.